I'm super excited because today is the day that we're doing the second portion of the LG Chem battery backup installation simulated test. We're actually going to be powering the house down in the hopes that the LG Chem battery backup system is going to do what it's expected to do. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Could take just a couple seconds. So we're actually doing the power simulated outage right now. And as you can see, this LG Chem is the one that's being powered up. The one just below it is the one that we're using for demand charge.